In this video, you will know why AMP coin will reach the $10 mark. So let's begin. AMP is an ambitious blockchain startup that issued a cryptocurrency called AMP. It has been able to grow exponentially because of its strong fundamentals and bull market sentiment. AMP is one of the favorite altcoins that already bought a huge profit for investors. Moreover, the AMP price forecast for 2021 and beyond looks very promising, and the project has great potential. The AMP price will hit $10 in 2021. You can read headlines like that. But be careful. Do not invest in a cryptocurrency just because its price seems low. There are many prediction models for pricing cryptocurrency, and most of them are based on technical analyses and some use some machine learning or artificial intelligence. It is hard to say if the price predictions are right or wrong. History teaches us that the future will probably be different from what we imagine. We must say that price prediction is an important part of crypto investors' predictions. But it shouldn't be the only one. But it's perfectly okay to have a look at some models. Should I invest in AMP cryptocurrency? Should I buy AMP today? What is the AMP price prediction model? What is the market's opinion on AMP future? Those are widespread questions from crypto investors that are in favor of altcoins. Before we dive deep into price forecasts and predicting if AMP is a good investment with future gains or not. With an intense fat bullish rally, AMP attracted many new and strong hands investors, and as a result, the price rallied like a giant, and therefore new retail traders look at AMP as one of the profitable investments in coming months. Are you among the traders who share the same though? This video is meant to provide you the in-depth information on AMP price prediction for 2021 and beyond. AMP crypto price prediction in 2021. AMP crypto has become a major topic of conversation on social media. Whether it's on Twitter, Reddit, or Discord, crypto communities are leading the charge behind AMP's growth. Therefore, what is AMP crypto? It's a collateral token on the Ethereum blockchain. Specifically, AMP token is built on Ethereum and it's used to collateralize payments on the Flexa network. This enables crypto payments to become more secure and instant. And Flexa network is the most fraud-proof payments network in the world. It's completely regulated and used solely for digital transactions. The current AMP crypto price prediction is optimistic due to a variety of reasons. First and foremost, it's now available on Coinbase. This alone is a major reason behind the growth. But its usage on the Flexa network is just as important. AMP token acts as collateral for payments on the Flexa network. So, if a payment on Flexa takes too long or fails altogether, AMP token is then liquidated to cover the costs. Moreover, there's a fixed supply of AMP token. This is important because it helps reduce volatility, which has become a major issue for many cryptocurrencies. At the moment, AMP is trading around 9 cents. But many analysts believe it can hit 30 cents by the end of the year. And many investors within the AMP token community are convinced it may hit the $1 mark sooner rather than later. Is AMP crypto a smart investment? Most analysts have an optimistic AMP crypto price prediction, and many investors are getting in before it takes off for good. If the trend continues, you can expect AMP crypto to become a real investment opportunity. The potential is there, much like other cryptocurrencies at the moment. The crypto market is as hot as it's ever been. Each and every day, a new crypto begins to take over news headlines. More recently, AMP token is front and center. Therefore, you may want to keep a close watch on this collateral token going forward. We understand that complicated market terms can make you panic. But here every detail is provided in very simple language. The language that an ordinary investor can easily get to. So let's begin and know everything about AMP coin price prediction. Will AMP coin reach $1? Well, why not? AMP coin has such huge potential in it. And in the speed with which it is growing. Surely yes. AMP is currently trading at a rate of 9 cents. This is not a bad price and is easy to buy. Coin cryptocurrency will surely reach $1 mark. Should you invest in AMP coin cryptocurrency? Yes, one should surely invest in AMP coin cryptocurrency. There are two major reasons regarding it. Let's discuss them. Easy to buy, nothing to lose. A coin which is trading below $1 is easy to handle. You can easily get in market without much investment. Low investment means low risk. So yes, one should surely invest. High profits. The AMP coin price prediction potential is really high. It has done a pretty decent job in market. If it kept going such a way, it will at least give you 20 times profit. What else can one imagine other than this? AMP is an Ethereum-based digital token used as collateral to secure transactions and decentralize the risk of asset transfer in decentralized finance. The aim is to reduce the cost of interchange between counterparties in payment transactions. and remove the likelihood of fraud. Users can stake AMP tokens to guarantee any form of financial exchange, such as digital payments, currency exchange, loan payments, and property sales. Regardless of the consensus mechanism, AMP's open source platform allows developers to build applications that use collateral partitions and collateral managers to lock and unlock AMP to secure transfers and facilitate lending. According to the AMP website, the project introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. The partition framework subdivides balances within an Ethereum address and designates them for collateral. Collateral managers are given permission to work with specific partitions, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. Once the AMP token is staked to a partition, it can be used in pools to decentralize an asset transfer and reduce risk. Once a transfer is complete, it offers a simplified network reward system, with built-in incentives that include distributions and compounding. AMP has a non-inflationary fixed total supply of 100 billion tokens, which rise in value as a direct result of their adoption. As new projects incorporate AMP, users benefit from the increase in decentralization and liquidity, which reduces volatility and inflation, and enhances the quality of the collateral. AMP secures Flexa payment network and expands reach. AMP was developed by merchant payment network Flexa and Ethereum blockchain software company Consensus. The token launched in September 2020, replacing its predecessor FlexaCoin, with the aim of also being used by projects other than Flexa. Flexa is designed to facilitate merchants to accept digital assets as payment. It offers native integration with existing point-of-sale systems and online sale platforms to enable merchants to accept digital payments while offering customers a typical checkout experience. AMP is the collateral that enables instant payments on Flexa. As of the 7th of June, users around the world had staked more than $1.2 billion in AMP to back Flexa payments. AMP is currently used as collateral for more than 25 digital assets. Investors in AMP include U.S. cryptocurrency fund Pantera Capital. In February, AMP was listed on Cream Finance, allowing holders to earn interest by staking the token. In April, the Cream community approved the use of AMP as collateral for loans of up to 45% of its value. AMP users can provide liquidity for decentralized exchange SushiSwap's automated market maker. Since April, they've been able to provide liquidity and borrow from SushiSwap's decentralized lending and margin trading product, Cashi. On the 10th of May, AMP was listed on Yield, a fixed-rate decentralized lending app that offers incentivized lending and borrowing. On the 12th of May, AMP launched its first upfront Flash staking offering, which allows users to stake the Flash cryptocurrency for a predetermined length of time and immediately earn AMP. At the end of the staking period, the user receives their full stake of Flash.